Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. It's Tuesday, February the 11th. I've got 6 amazing press releases for you, 4 of which deal with either financial results or sales. I like these kind of days because we like numbers on AGORACOM TV. So let's start you off first on the TSX Venture Exchange. BSM Technologies trades on the stock symbol GPS. They announced an order from a Fortune 500 Canadian transportation services company worth $840,000. This is the 3rd order from one of the largest transportation services companies in Canada. Repeat order here. Actually, it's a repeat after 2. First, in May of 2006, the company incorporated 100 units, GPS units, as part of a Canadian pilot program. In October of 2006, that led to an additional 100 units for their U.S. fleet. Again, this is an unnamed company for obvious reasons because BSM provides GPS tracking and security, and companies don't want to know what kind of systems they're using, but it is a Fortune 500 company. That was a U.S. fleet in October of 2006. So now they're ordering an additional 450 units worth $840,000 over the life of the contract. That brings the total sales to 650. And if you watch AGORACOM TV, one thing that we really like here is commercial acceptance and repeat orders. Repeat orders for major customers means you've potentially got something great, and this is a big number because it's the biggest order yet. It more than doubles what GPS had sold to this major customer in the past. Nick Sorella, a little quote here from the president of the company: "We are noticing this trend throughout our existing clients as they expand our technology into the rest of their fleets." So Nick is talking about repeat orders there. And again, if you're not familiar with BSM, they design, manufacture, and market a comprehensive line of what they call AVSL, Automatic Vehicle Security and Tracking Solutions for commercial, government, and law enforcement. The company closed yesterday at 10 cents. Next up, staying with the venture exchange, Versatile Systems trades on the venture under VV, and for our viewers in the UK on the AIM under VVS. They're announcing record results for their second quarter. They're talking about record revenues, gross profits, EBITDA, and cash flow. Revenue, $18.5 million. That's versus $17.1 million for the third quarter ended December 31st, 2007. Gross profit, $4.8 million compared to $3.9 million. An increase again on that level. EBITDA, $1,118,000. That's an increase of about 98% over last year. Big increases for Versatile. Finally, net income, net earnings, $686,000 compared to $178,000 for the same quarter last year. That's up 283%. Again, big numbers. Great quarter for Versatile. Now, they closed yesterday at 18 cents. Took a look at their one-year chart. They've been sliding pretty precipitously from 75 cents over the last 52 weeks. Not sure why. Got to do your own due diligence. Maybe the market was waiting for the numbers. They've got up some great numbers. Take a closer look at Versatile Systems. Switching over to the U.S., Microfield Group trades on the OTC under the stock symbol MICG. They're reporting reports for 2007. 2007 revenues grew 4-fold over the previous year. Revenues, $12.6 million compared to $3.2 million in 2006. For the quarter, they did about $2.2 million revenue compared to $1.12 million for the year before. But what they also announced was in that quarter, the quarter didn't include some delayed settlements that total about $570,000, and they expect those, or the majority of these, to be approved in the first quarter of 2008. And any residual in the second quarter of 2008. So they're doing some great numbers there at Microfield Group. What do? Utilizing intellectual property, the company's Energy Connect platform and technology enables large consumers of energy, such as buildings, campuses, and factories, to exploit unprecedented revenue opportunities in the wholesale market for electricity. So what are they doing? They're transforming passive consumers of energy into active producers and participants. And this is probably that kind of energy turnaround systems that we've seen. Good to see that these guys are actually generating great numbers. They closed yesterday at 81 cents. Next up, Prolink trades on the OTC under PLKH. They announced record fourth quarter revenue, and these are preliminary numbers. So what does that mean? Anytime you see a company put up preliminary numbers, they're just so happy about the numbers, want to get them out to the marketplace as fast as possible before the audited numbers get out, and that's what you've got here. First of all, what does Prolink do? They're making a repeat performance. They provide GPS golf course management systems, which means guys in their golf court have on the golf carts have GPS systems, so they know exactly where they are, where the balls are, what kind of approach to take, so on and so forth. But more importantly, within those GPS systems right in cart, you have these pretty robust advertising systems, probably where they generate a ton of their money. Great targeted market. And it's showing up because revenue was in excess of $6 million. That compares to $3.8 million for fourth quarter in 2006. And as you can expect, Q4 is a slow time for a lot of these golf course management companies for obvious reasons. Gross margin, 52%, and they closed yesterday at 63 cents. Next up, Coral Gold. We're going to switch over some resources here. Coral Gold Resources trades on the venture under CLH, on the OTC under CLHRF, and for our friends in Germany on the Frankfurt Exchange under GV8. They received final 43101 report confirming a 110% increase in their Robertson's inferred gold resource. This is a 43101 compliant mineral resource estimate for the Robertson property, which is located in Nevada. The new estimate, based on a gold price of just $600 an ounce, raises the Robertson property inferred resource to over 2.3 million ounces of gold, an increase of 110% over the previous 43101 estimate from April 2006. Robertson is located along the Cortez Gold Trend of north central Nevada near the town of Crescent Valley. Got a great quote here from Coral President David Wolfen. Any way you look at it, the new resource estimate is a significant development for the company. We have so much ground yet to explore, and it seems everywhere we drill, we hit new mineralization. That's pretty big words coming out of David Wolfen there. As you can imagine, we're very happy about the progress in 2007 and excited about the upcoming drill season, so look for more numbers coming out of Coral Gold. Finally, Serengeti Resources on the venture SIR. They announced that they intersected 280 meters grading 0.47% copper, 0.63 grams per ton of gold. This is at their 100% owned Quanica porphyry copper gold property in British Columbia. A lot of stats, a lot of results coming in this press release. So I'm going to take a quote here from President and CEO David Moore. That sums up pretty nicely. These results from the drill program completed December are extremely encouraging. 9 of the 12 holes intersected strong grades of copper gold mineralization over good lengths with exceptional grade and widths in 3 of these. The best hole, 0755, intersected 0.47% copper, 0.63 grams per ton of gold over 280.5 meters. The company closed yesterday at 70 cents. At $1. Big action in the company yesterday. They traded between 70 cents and $1, so a big swing there, and they closed at the high end. However, they are off a high of $4.80 for the year, so do take a look at that. That's a wrap for the day. 6 amazing press releases. I love the numbers. I love record sales. I love quarterly and annual numbers. Another great day for AGORACOM TV, and hopefully you found some great ideas. As always, if you're looking for more, don't forget about the AGORACOM marketplace. Over 80 companies listed by industry and exchange with great descriptions, so you can find the ones best suited for your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.